Makita 9403 4-inch by 24-inch belt sander review. Heavy-duty power with surprisingly quiet control. Ever tried leveling a warped deck board with an underpowered sander that just skims the surface? I once watched a DIYer spend half a day fighting a weak machine that barely scratched old stain. The frustration was obvious. When a tool slows you down instead of helping, the whole project feels heavier. You've probably been there too, right? The tension builds when you push harder, the motor strains, and progress crawls. That gritty vibration in your hands and the rising noise fatigue make long sessions exhausting. Cheaper sanders promise power, but stall on hardwood or old flooring. You start wondering if there's a smarter balance of strength and control without turning your workspace into chaos. Then everything changed when I found the Makita 9403 4-inch by 24-inch belt sander. Don't just pick any belt sander. Make sure it has a high-power motor with auto-tracking belt control so you never waste time on stalling performance or wandering belts again. The 12.0 amp motor drives the belt at 1,640 feet per minute, which means it removes material fast without hesitation. Here is what surprised me. Despite that raw power, it operates at just 84 decibels, noticeably quieter than many in its class, reducing fatigue during long sanding sessions. The auto-tracking system keeps the belt perfectly centered, so you stay focused on the surface instead of constant adjustments. A professional floor installer told me he stripped old finish and leveled uneven boards in hours, not days, and never once had to stop to realign the belt. The low-profile front housing lets you sand flush against walls, which quietly eliminates extra detail work later. It feels controlled, deliberate, built for serious stock removal without sacrificing comfort. Across trades, the Makita 9403 4-inch by 24-inch belt sander consistently earns trust. A flooring expert described it as a revelation because the 12-amp motor delivers relentless removal, while the 84 decibel noise level protects hearing over long days. A woodworking content creator highlighted the quick-release lever and 360-degree swivel dust bag, noting how smoothly belt changes keep projects moving on camera. Industry reviewers point out that Makita directly addressed two common complaints in this category: excessive noise and belt misalignment. One deck builder shared that the tool flattened weathered cedar boards and removed peeling stain without overheating, even after continuous use for hours. The weight, around 5.7 to 5.9 kilograms, is noticeable, and yes, it demands two hands. But that mass contributes to stability, letting the machine's own weight do the work instead of your shoulders. The long 5.0-meter cord adds practical reach for large surfaces. If you regularly tackle flooring, decking, or rough lumber, imagine shaving hours off prep time while reducing vibration fatigue. That is the real shift. Reliable power, predictable control, and a smoother daily workflow build long-term confidence in your tools. The Makita 9403 4-inch by 24-inch belt sander gives you the confidence to take on big sanding jobs without hesitation. Faster material removal, lower noise, stable belt tracking, and professional-grade durability in one focused machine. Thousands of contractors, woodworkers, and serious DIYers rely on it daily because it simply works. Results may vary based on material and technique. If you want to see the full details, I've placed the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. Take a closer look and decide if it belongs in your workshop.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.